So, as I mentioned in the past, Smithy has its shortcomings. Um, so this time I thought maybe I'd talk about the stuff that I really like about this lathe, for the price, for the size of this lathe. Um, this bed is fantastic, and here is an example. Um, I am making about 250 of these ports, and it requires me to face them and put a bevel on the side. Um, so I'm going to show you how in one operation I can do both, and only because I have a bed on which I can bolt a two carriage and a tool post tool post on it. So here we go. I'm going to show you guys. It's with one hand, so we'll see how it goes. Okay. The first thing is I'm going to face mask it, face mill it. Bevel on it, just sliding the bed. And we are done. Now obviously I was using camera with one hand, but without the camera I can do this like very quick. I did about, I would say 20 of these in 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes, 15 minutes more like it. So I mean it's pretty quick, you know, you can go back and forth on this table, but you know, this is what I really like about this, the mill, the lathe. Now I have a big Leblon um, um, that I also use, but you know, it does not have that. It's just a standard tool post, and so I'll cover it up basically. It's got a standard tool post, and you can't put any other accessories on there. You cannot do multiple operations in, you know, multiple steps in one operation basically. Whereas in a Smithy, because of this table, which I really like, I'm able to bolt on a bunch of things on it and do a few steps in one sequence operation. So that's the plus side of this lathe. I really enjoy working with it. We'll be putting a CNC conversion on this at some point later on this year, and then, you know, these kinds of tasks with multiple tools and everything. I understand we don't have a, you know, like a turret lathe here or something like that with automatic tool changers and whatever you have. I don't have any of that. So this is again trying to be creative, trying to see what we can do with the, you know, most we can do with what we got. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this and you get some ideas, and if you have any questions, let me know. Take care. Bye.